One of the keys in e-commerce is knowing what type of products you're selling. Are they stats based? Are they not? If they're heavily reliant on stats like speed, size, and any other kind of metric that you could think of, then a compare plugin should definitely be on your website. And I'm going to show you one of the most powerful ones to make sure every single customer benefits from it. So let's dive right in. Here we are in just a plain old Astra theme with my compare plugins. And as you see, we can add to compare, and the traditional way is you do it this kind of format where the customer selects. Now, that's good to have, and maybe like 10 to 15% of your customers might actually use it. But what would be even more powerful is if you could guide your customer and build it into the product page, just like Amazon and Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, all of them use this tactic, and you should definitely use it too. Now I can show you how easy it is to set it up manually. We will go to this cheap one, and then we'll go to edit product. And in edit product, once you install my plugin, which the link will be in the description, will be right here. And all you got to do is start searching for your products. We're going to start adding all the products that we have for 3D printers. And you can do this with any product you like, but I think 3D printers is a great example because it's definitely stats dependent, like your build size and print speed. Now, you want to slowly tier up your customers, so you can drag and drop them to the order you like. You can even move up the attributes, and as you see, it already picked up all the attributes of the product, and you can remove them. Next thing you're going to want to know is where you want to place. I usually like before related products, and hit update, and now it's automatically going to show on this product for all the customers. And we'll go on there, look down, and there you go. And how you want this to work is you want the lowest priced followed by the next highest with stats, and you can slowly creep up your customer into buying a more expensive product or just be informative for them. Now, if you don't want to go through that effort and you want it to be a little more free flowing for your customers, we got you covered there, and you can still have this compare section in your product page. We'll go back to the dashboard, go to compare settings, dynamic comparison settings, and you're going to want this to have auto, and I usually have it again before related products because it's a little bit more powerful than related products. And you're going to want to make sure you exclude any products that you want to exclude any attributes, and set the amount of attributes it needs to have. So right now 1, as long as it has 1, it's going to show the table. What if we put it to like 3? Then products that necessarily don't need it will not display one of the tables. So now if we go to a product that we haven't made one for, it should still show the table automatically because it has like attributes. It will also pull if they've looked at it before or it's in this table. So it looks in many areas to make sure it fills it out, and it's very helpful for your customers. As you can see, it's simple, quick. You don't even have to really do anything if you don't want to. And your customers still have the ability to compare the products that they select. It's just a very useful tool to really help guide your customers in making the right purchase for them. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!